Hello everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing a look at the Make It Merry Christmas kit from Spellbinders. It is an amazing kit for somebody who loves to use pattern papers, stickers, embellishments, and that sort of thing. This kit is also fantastic if you enjoy doing scrapbooking. I feel it's a great option if you do something like December daily, if you like to document those everyday days of your life in December. I think this is a fantastic kit for that. I myself, I'm not a scrapbooker. I don't really use pattern paper in my cards. I used to be a scrapbooker. I used to scrapbook a lot, but not anymore. But when I saw this kit, I immediately thought to myself, this would make an amazing project kit to do an album for December and document my everyday life in December. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. I mean, I do want to, but there's never any time, as we all know. So I'm going to try, but if I don't, then I don't. By the way, there is a fantastic blog post on the Spellbinders blog where we have a guest designer sharing some inspiration with this kit, showing how it can be used for scrapbook for a scrapbook album for that December day. So let's dive into the kit and look what's included. Oh, I love this sticker. Just so beautiful. That frame shape and the little foliage here, it looks beautiful. Well, I am going to have to rip it to be able to open my package. Okay. This kit, as all Spellbinders kits, comes with a little printed insert, and you have some inspiration here. It also says what the kit includes, and there's a bunch of products. You also have a step-by-step tutorial for one of the cards on the back. So what does this kit actually include? We have 13 A2 cards and 13 envelopes, 12 cards that are 5x7 in coordinating envelopes, 14 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock. Now, this is not the same cardstock that Spellbinders has in their shop, so it's a different quality cardstock and also different colors. So if you like this cardstock, I know we've had questions and people reach out to Spellbinders and ask, like, I really like this red from this kit. What is the coordinating color on the Spellbinders website? You won't find a coordinating color because this is just a different cardstock. Also, there are 4 sheets that are 8.5 by 11-inch that are foil paper. There's also a paper pad. There are 40 sheets and it's 6x6. Die-cut shapes, die-cut journal tags, and that's what I mean. The journal tags make this the perfect kit for December scrapbooking. Chipboard embellishments, chipboard sentiments, gemstones, sequins, puffy stickers, puffy sentiments, foam squares, and adhesive tape. Okay. So these are the cards, the card bases. There, like I said, there is 13 of the A2 and 12 of the 5x7. So that makes it 25 different card bases, which is huge. I mean, that's a lot of card bases. That means you can make 25 cards using this kit. Now we have these red gems. The biggest one are pretty big. I do like the smaller size and probably this size. These are a little bit too big for me, but I think if you use them in a scrapbook album, I think they could be really fun. Or you can also incorporate them into your gift wrap. I recently shared a gift wrapping video with the Pepin Press and Vivant ribbons that Spellbinders now offers in the Spellbinders shop. And I think these could go really well with those products. Okay, next are the puffy stickers. Oh my goodness, I am a huge fan of puffy stickers. I love them. They're just adorable, and I love the sentiments in here. So you have Deck the Halls, Merry Christmas, Wrapped in Love, Christmas Wishes, Countdown to Christmas, Warm Wishes, Merry and Bright, 'Tis the Season, Jolly Days, Oh What Fun, Be Merry, and things like that. And many of these sentiments work great for cards, but many also are great for scrapbooking. So moving on, now we have these gold sentiment stickers. Okay. These are not puffy, they're kind of hard. And the sentiments say joyful, love, merry, wonder, season, holiday, magic, together, Christmas. Love it. Then we have the chipboard stickers. And these are so pretty. I just love this color combination, the traditional red and green and gold. And like many of these are foiled. So you have the foiled accents and they just look very beautiful. So here's a closer look at these. Okay, next we have a set of sentiment stickers. And these are these are chipboard stickers, just sentiments. And you have a bunch of different sentiments in here. Believe in the magic of the season. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. All is calm, all is bright. Together is the merriest place to be. It's the season to sparkle, merry. Making merry moments. I'm not going to read through all of these, but lots of great sentiments for your projects. Spellbinders also always include some double-sided adhesive tape and foam adhesive squares. So you have that in your kit. There is also a pack of pre-printed die cuts. And by the look of it, I can see that we have some numbers. And the numbers is what makes this a great kit for December daily, because, well, you know, when I used to do my December daily albums, I would always number the days. You know, it would be day 1, day 2, day 25, and so on. So we have the numbers in here. It looks like we have them all the way through 25, and then other little pieces as well that make it that are great for journaling and adding like little notes and little memories about the day and the events that took place on that day. Next, there's a pack of sequins, and these don't have a hole in them. These are the kind of sequins that I really like. Lately, I'm not a fan of the sequins that have an opening. I prefer the no hole sequins. So these are really cute. Okay, there's another pack of die kits, and looks like these are mostly images. There are some sentiments die kits in here as well, but mostly we have little cards, little stars. So a bunch of cute little different images. Oh, I love this little, I'm throwing this all over my work surface. Please excuse that. I love this little deer. Isn't it adorable? Oh my goodness, just the cutest. Okay, we also have the 6x6 paper pad. And I love the packaging. I love the cover. So there's a little opening and you can see through to see what pattern it is. So there are 20 different designs and 6 foiled sheets. Okay, I'm just going to flip through real quick to give you an idea of what these are. Here's one of the foiled sheets. Oh, I love this pattern. Oh, and I really like how vibrant the colors are. Usually not all paper pads have the most vibrant colors. It looks like this one has some nice quality printing because you can see how vibrant this red color is. Okay. This is another foil design with some text. Ooh, I love these little gifts. Also foiled. Okay, and the designs are now repeating. So pretty pattern paper. And then last, I have the pack with the 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so it looks like we have some white cardstock, some black, brown, pink, several shades of pink, several shades of red, several shades of green, one shade of blue, and then there is the gold. This is the double-sided gold foil mirror paper. and the same in silver. I actually really love this cardstock. I used to use it a lot, especially with the Becca Fekin dies. I don't use it as much lately, but still, this is great paper. It is a little bit tricky to adhere because it's glossy on both sides, but I can still adhere it just fine using some foam adhesive squares. So that's a look at the Make It Merry kit from Spellbinders. Now there's also a Make It Merrier collection, and it's a mini collection. I don't have it on my desk here to show you, but I do have it in the catalog. So I'm just going to flip to this page, and you can see it says Make It Merrier. And the collection just includes a couple of extras. So you have the paper pad that you can buy additional sheets if you want to. There is a Make It Merry floral die kits. I think this is separate. This is not what's included in the kit. And also you have the coordinating dies, the Make It Merry florals, the coordinating sentiments, Make It Merry sentiments, and then the embossing folder, which is really pretty. This is the regular, the 2D embossing folder. It's in the pines. If you want, you can also grab this as a bundle, and it's the Make It Merry add-on bundle. And you actually save a little bit if you grab the bundle. Now the kit itself, it is $50. And I think it's a fantastic kit. It makes for a great gift for either yourself, again, if you are into using pattern paper and printed die kits, or it makes for a great gift for a crafty friend, or for a friend who isn't a crafter yet, but is looking or wanting to dab her or his feet in crafting, because the kit doesn't include any dies. There are no stamps, so you don't need any specialty tools to be able to use it and make your pretty cards. So that's it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Make It Merry Christmas kit from Spellbinders. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time.